Welcome back. I hope you're enjoying this Advent series. We're going to continue with our strength building workout. We're focusing on the triceps a lot today. I think you're going to love this workout. Let's get started. We're going to start with a single weight tricep overhead extension. You can hold the weight however it is you like. Arms come overhead. Triceps point forward. Think of holding a pencil between your elbows. Extend back behind the head as far as you can go, and then full extension up. As you drop it back, try not to pop the ribs. There's that core integration. Feet are planted, glutes are underneath you and engaged. Really trying to focus on the triceps, drop your shoulders down, and get that nice full extension. You should feel the triceps engage throughout this movement. Nice calm breathing. You use a weight that's comfortable and doable to you, and hold the weight however it suits you best. I'm using a 10-pound weight right now. You could use more, you could use less. You could also just do the movement overhead itself, which is great for us as we age. All right, last one, nice job. We're gonna be needing two weights now for an overhead press. Arms are gonna come up shoulder height, cactus style, ribs down in front, nice long neck. It's gonna be a single, double, keeping those elbows at 90. So we're gonna come up single, back down to 90, up single, back down to 90, and then double. So we're pressing the weight overhead and then taking it wide again. Now, the weaker that the core is, or I should say the upper body is, the more you're gonna feel like the roof of your torso, which is kind of your shoulder girdle, rib cage, is gonna be a little poppy and a little topply. So in that case, drop the weight down so you can really focus on form and control. Stay with me here. If you feel like the singles or the double is too much, slow it down, drop the reps, drop the weight. Nice job. All right, now we're gonna go into a hovering lunge tricep extension. You can do both weights or just one weight. Stepping into a modified lunge. If you're just gonna use that one weight, drop the one that's gonna be on your thigh down. Arm stays at 90, extend, and back in. So this is me doing just one arm. If you want to try to do two, keep the hips square and the belly super strong, shoulder blades engaged. We're not hunching and rounding, but we're also not upright. Keep breathing, engage the inner thighs, and press the pinky finger to the sky. Go for that full extension. Keep breathing. Now, as your body gets tired, you're going to slowly try to inch your torso upright. I want you to try to avoid that. Here we go. Whew, nice job. All right, Mack Raise is our next, one of my favorite exercises. Feet are planted at hip distance, ribs down, pelvis is in neutral, shoulders down and back. We're going to alternate, one weight in each hand. Here we go. So right arm comes out in front. Left arm pulls back kind of like a bow and arrow. Slightly twist your shoulders down again. And so now we're just going to pick up the pace slightly. Keep breathing. I'm twisting kind of in the shoulder girdle at the bottom of the ribs, but my pelvis is staying nice and steady. So I'm keeping that lower body super supported. Keep breathing. It shouldn't be such a heavy weight that you're struggling, but it should be a good enough of a challenge. Keep with me, we got 10 counts. Last one, whew, roll the shoulders down and back. Now we're gonna do that lunge to the opposite side. So you choose, if you're just gonna do one arm, it's the arm with the leg that's back. You can rest that other arm on the tricep with or without the weight. Square the hips, square the shoulders, elbows at 90, extend, and then squeeze the inner thighs, square the hips. Keep breathing. Shoulder blades drop down, but at the same time, my ribs aren't popping out. I'm keeping the core and the torso nice and stable. That's kind of your foundation here for this tricep extension. Stay low. You got this. You can do anything for 45 seconds. counts. Woo! All right, nice job. I hope you enjoyed this workout as much as I did. Stay tuned for tomorrow for a next amazing strength building series.